the math book has so many problems. Get it? Solve problems in the math book, and there are problems to the math book. So everybody loves popsicles, right? Popsicles, popsicles, we all scream for popsicles. Today we're going to be making mango popsicles. So to make this mango popsicle, get a mango, whatever type of mango, peel it, and cut it into pieces. Put the mango in a blender, water, and sugar. Blend it, and you'll have fresh mango juice. After fresh blended mango juice, like this. I made the mango juice and poured it in a bottle. Or special slurpy mango juice that I want to drink right now. So let's begin. Here's our popsicle mold and mango juice. We're going to take our freshly blended mango juice and pour it into the popsicle molds. All the juice in the popsicle molds. Now we're going to keep it in the fridge, and I'm so excited to see how it tastes. So now let's keep it in the fridge. And you have to keep it in the fridge for 8 hours. That's the next morning. The popsicles are ready, and we just have to take it off. So to do that, we need a bowl of water. Put the popsicle mold inside, and you can take them out. Simple as cake. So here's the water, so I'm going to keep this inside. You can wait for 1 minute for the popsicles to come out. So let's try to remove this popsicle. Whoa, it looks yummy. I'm going to try it. Just like mango juice. The juice that I added in. It's so good. You can eat all day and all night and all day, all year and every day. It's 2 thumbs up. 1 hand thumbs up and 1 popsicle thumbs up. That makes pop hand thumbs up. It's so yummy, it's so sweet, and it's so icy. So easy to bite, very mini, very small. And it looks like toddlers can even eat this. It's so my teeth just went through this popsicle stick. This was the best popsicle ever. Hope you enjoyed this video. Big thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe for this popsicle video.